Hello there. So, this is my desk. Hold on. This is my desk. Next to my desk is a closet with a sliding door, and inside this closet are my 3D printer and my PC, which I find very convenient as the noise level at my desk is almost non-existent. It also gives me more space on and around my desk. The problem with this setup is that using USB devices or an audio jack is quite difficult. That's why I designed a USB extension hub that also has an audio jack. To make this extension hub work, I got two USB extension cables and one for a 3.5mm jack. I designed a housing in Fusion 360 that I can screw down on top of my desk. The housing is made up of two parts that sandwich the extension cables to keep them in place when plugging in or out. I then 3D printed the housing on my Ender 3 V2 in PLA plastic. I am using a low infill to speed up printing time. It makes the part weaker, but it will work fine for a stationary object like this. I had some trouble with the first layers of the print, where the filament would come loose from the bed. I am still learning how to set up quality prints. I proceeded to bring up the temperature of the bed in combination with a lower initial layer height. It worked out in the end. The total printing time of both parts was around 5 hours. I am happy with the end result. While editing this video, I am making great use out of the extension hub. I ended up making a hole in the wall of the closet to lead the cables to my PC. That's it for today. I would be very grateful if you considered subscribing or leaving a like. See you next time.